What is up, YouTube? Mike back here from Axion, and we're loading the car on the dyno right now back at BMR to do some tuning with Derek at IMW. It's gonna be a really exciting day. We got a couple issues fixed with the inlet pipe. We're just missing an adapter for it that we've been waiting on forever. So got it all back together. I'll show you the engine layout. We'll let you hear the sounds of our inlet intake kit. And we threw 108 octane in here, so hoping to get a little bit more out of the fuel system from the E50. Yeah, so we'll see what it does. I'm really excited. Should be in the 300 wheel horsepower somewhere, and probably around 300 torque to make sure the rods don't go flying. So please tune in to the whole video, do a big thumbs up, and let's see what it does. So let's go over the car real quick. Some stuff's been added. Got the RV6 rear cambers done in our green now. And we've got the 18K rear silvers. Got the laptop up here getting ready. I'll show you the inlet kit. This is the one we have in production. We just had to get the Venturi right here, and that adapter took forever to come in because it had to be custom made for it. But yeah, we're ready to go on the dyno. I'm gonna warm up the car, do some test runs with Derek, see how it's running, and yeah, show you this thing. It's sitting pretty good. Got it down a little bit more, but this is the full drag silvers kit. It's got the Rv6 Antilift for the front. And we're ready to go, guys. So tune in. Definitely some good stuff coming. All tuned on Ktuner, of course. And we'll see what kind of power this thing makes. All right, guys, turn the fans on. We've just been doing some initial testing with Derek since we switched out the gas. So we'll see as we keep uploading some of these files where we're at. I feel it's a good time to get her started up and let you hear it. See if Derek's magic worked. All right, got a little bit more horsepower this one. We're at 295, 261 torque. Getting there. All right, guys, just want to show you something quick between while we're flashing the car. So most of these inlet pipes can get pretty hot. It's not even hot at all. So just to let you know, that's why it's made out of aluminum. So it doesn't heat soak like some of the other stuff. All right, so Derek was saying like maybe the spark plugs are sputtering out at the top end, or the injectors are just kind of running out of fuel. I don't know. That's why I changed the unleaded so we could get some more fuel out of it, but we'll see. Go over in the dyno room. Everything's running pretty good. We're just gonna let it idle for a minute here to let the O2 sensor get used to it. We'll see what it makes. We'll see if we get over 300. We did 309 and 370. Cool. So like Derek said, the motor just wants to keep going. It doesn't look like it fell off up top there, so we're pretty good. I think we might have another reflash come in, so we'll see what we get. All right, another round here. Let's see what we can get. So I'll tell you guys why it's not making as much as some of the SI guys. little bit of info we figured out from tuning today, which is good for the community, so I'll tell you guys after we do the run. All right, another run, we'll see. Damn Ktuner wires. All right, let's see what it does. Here it sputter there a little bit up top. You can see the dip in the graph right here. So we're running out of fuel pressure on the injector. So we got 314 and 271. Yeah, misfire from Derek. I caught it on there too. Let's send him the pics. Not too bad. All right, guys. Gonna do one more run. We ran out of injector. This is the reason why. The ECU on here is for the sport touring. So it has different parameters than an SI. Even though we have SI injectors and SI DI pump, the ECU is not allowing the pressure to go up, so the injector is failing up top. That's why you see the dip in the graph. So, but we're just gonna give it one more little pull. It's the last one. So it dipped off a lot there. I think we were at 299. So we're pretty much 314 horsepower for the day and 271. For a sport touring, as far as I know, that's the world's highest on the 11th gen. So definitely some stuff we figured out today that I didn't know on the, I figured doing that would change things over, but it definitely did not. So that's why we put in the work with Derek and figure out the results on the car. So now next is to try and get it to the track.